Hi, my name is Steven Vasquez. This is my sheep heart dissection video. The visceropericardium, also known as the epicardium, is the outer layer of the heart, which protects the heart. The apex is here. The base is up here. The right atrium is here. And the left atrium is here. So the right atrium receives deoxygenated blood. The left atrium is oxygenated blood. The right and left auricles are used. The right auricle gathers deoxygenated blood, like I said, and pushes it into the right ventricle. The left auricle gathers oxygenated blood and gets the blood from the lungs and pushes it to the left ventricle. The right and left ventricles. So the right ventricle is here, and the left ventricle is here, right? You can see them here, right? The interventricular sulcus goes down the middle. It separates the right and left ventricle. And the major blood vessels that are found in the sulcus are the left coronary artery and the great cardiac vein. The pulmonary trunk is right here, so like right there. And the blood goes to the right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps blood into the pulmonary trunk, the right and left pulmonary arteries, and on top of the lungs where it is oxygenated. The left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. And the blood is oxygenated. The aorta is up here. Okay. And the blood in the vessels going to the arteries and the rest of the body from the aorta. And the blood in the aorta is oxygenated. Aortic arc and the three major vessels are actually right up here. Okay. And the three major vessels that come out of it are the brachiocephalic artery, also known as a brachiocephalic arc, which is the first one, kind of in the middle. Okay. And then the left common choroid, which is the one next to it, kind of hard to see, but in here. And then the left subclavian, which is all the way is the third one on the far side of the heart over here. The superior vena cava is on the other side. You can see it. It's actually up here. Okay. And then the inferior vena cava is right up here. And then the coronary sinus is over here. Coronary sinus is right in here. Okay. The blood in these three vessels are going to the right atrium. And they are veins going to the heart and arteries going away from the heart. So, is the blood? Are they carrying oxygen or deoxygenated? And they're carrying deoxygenated blood in those vessels. The coronary sulcus is here. Okay, and they're found between the left atrium and the two ventricles. So this goes along right here. Uh, so I have to show the on the atrium, the pectinate, and that's the muscles. I guess you can. It's like branch-like muscles in the atrium, and it pumps. So right in here. The myocardium of the right and left ventricles. Myocardium is in the middle, so you can kind of see it right here. It's the middle layer. You can see it right here, and it goes all along the right and left ventricle. The myocardium is on the left ventricle is 3 times thicker than the one on the right because that's the one that's used to pump blood throughout the body, so it has to work a lot harder. The endocardium is the inner layer skin covering the heart, so you could just so the inner layer of the skin, like I don't know, like you can see it covers the heart on the inside, right here. Okay. The trabeculae carinae on the inner surface of the ventricles. So that's in here. The interventricular septum goes right down the middle, right here. The bicuspid mitral, or the left AV valve, would be up in here. You can kind of see it right here. It's in here. The tricuspid on the right AV valve would be in here. So right in here. And then the chordae tendineae is right in here. Right there. And the cusp of the valve would be like right in here. It's right in here. And then the papillary muscle is in here. You can see that it's well lit right there. It's right in there. That's pretty well lit right there. Okay, and that concludes my dissection video of the sheep heart. Thank you.